Always talking shit. Me just a little bitch. Look, you just a little bitch. Always on my dick. Always talking shit, but ain't about that action. And I don't give a fuck if you a man or a bitch. I still beat your ass. You talk a lot of shit, but you just a hoe. Anything I say, you would do it. Like I say, fuck my nigga, you would do it for me, cause you know I'm your daddy. Okay, look, hop off my dick. I got my own girl. I don't want you. You just a little nasty ass girl running around the streets of Maple, bitch. Look, and I don't usually rap, but I'm just dissing your ass and see if you can come back. Yeah, KB in this bitch. I ain't done yet. Look, your pussy stank. Your pussy stank. You running around in people's houses with a period blood on the carpet. Now it's stained like you a stain, bitch. Wipe your ass, get in the shower. That's why nobody like your ass now. You wanna tell these niggas that you old enough to fuck them? You just a little hoe, stop lying. Okay, yeah. Okay, look, you always talking to my girl, talking hella reckless, but I don't give a fuck. She would still beat your ass though, and I don't give a fuck. I would still do the same. Even if my nigga, I still beat your ass, cause you acting like a nigga. I don't give a fuck. You little bitch. Yeah, always talking shit. You just always on my dick. Yeah, just a little bitch. Always talking shit. No, you ain't about that action. You just a little hoe running around the streets of Maple. Little bitch. Look, let me speak clearly this time. Okay, look, my name is Javon Rose. I don't give a fuck. You can say it to anybody else, bitch. Look, get your whole crew. Better beat they ass. I ain't scared. I can come by myself, bitch. You know, I'm talking real shit. This ain't no fake shit, cause I ain't fake. You know your ass fake. Yeah, your ass fake like a real old shit. Okay. If you wanna fight me, then come to my house right now. But you always bitch, nigga, hoe, ass, stinking ass, pussy. Nobody want you. And my name is Breezy, and I'm out, little bitch.